In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Playbooks with friends. First, open your Google Playbooks app and go to your library. Select the book you want to share. Tap in the center of the screen to bring up the extended menu, and then tap on the three-dot icon at the top right-hand corner. From the menu, select Share. You will then see different sharing options, such as WhatsApp, email, or other apps installed on your phone. For free books, you can directly share the link this way. When your friend taps on the link, it will take them to the Google Play Books page, where they can open and read the book. However, sharing paid books works differently. Due to publisher restrictions, you cannot share them directly. Instead, you can gift them. To do this, open the homepage of the paid book you want to share, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right-hand corner, and select Gift. If you don't already have a payment method added, you'll need to set one up. Once you complete the payment, you can enter your friend's email address. They will receive an email with a redemption link. After redeeming, they can access the book in their own Google Play Books library. And this is how you can share Google Play Books with friends.